बहुत ही मुअज़्ज़ज़ मेहमानान गिरामी, distinguished guests who have come from all over the world, from all over Pakistan, distinguished scholars, leaders of the business community, members of the academia from Karachi and Sindh and rest of Pakistan, and faculty members and dear students. Assalamu alaikum. I am grateful to all of you that you have been a part of this celebration of the completion of the first year of Kawthar University. We have prepared a 10-minute video about the university. I would like you to first view the video, and then I have 10 brief slides to summarize the points of progress of Kawthar University. Thank you very much for patiently viewing and listening to the video. We are thankful to Almighty Allah who has blessed us in a short span of time. We have established a team of 150 team members at Kawthar University. We have 55 full-time faculty members, 35 officers, and the remaining are non-teaching supporting staff. Alhamdulillah, we are offering 14 programs. All of them, they are accredited by the relevant accreditation council. We are maintaining our HEC accreditation. And inshallah, with the help of the community, with the help of our national and international partners, we'll expand into more campuses in the coming years. And also, by targeting the Islamic social finance area, we will utilize the power of Islam, the power of zakat, sadaqat, and waqf, and combine them together in a policy framework with those recommendations, the research, the policy making papers for the government. So then we can create a better future world. As Professor Mehmet Bulut said, that definitely the world around us is changing, but we have to present a new paradigm, and Islam provides us the framework to create a new and better world. So I will finish my talk here with thanks to Almighty Allah and looking forward to the support of our partners for the establishment of the Center for Islamic Social Finance, for establishment of campuses all over Pakistan, and expanding our programs in allied health sciences and computing technology to provide better career opportunities to our youth. Thank you very much.